Hello once again. This will be the second video about the tools that we are building for CAD as extensions. This one is related to powerline extraction from the point cloud data. So let me first show you what we managed to achieve. So when you do the flying over the power lines and you get the point cloud data and the power lines also as a point cloud, you are able to extract this data and these features as a CAD entities. So in order to do this in manual version of the CAD, you will need to set up the coordinate system for each element and for each arm, and then draft it separately. So the two functions that we built for now are actually two functions that we are able to utilize and extract much easier power line strings and the power towers. So let me first load the plugin. And once again, it will follow Autodesk applications, settings, and styles. And here we have two functions. As you can see, it's power tower with a plus and power lines with a plus. Regardless on that one, let us also create new drawing, and load point cloud data, so I can show you how these functions are working. So let us first insert the point cloud data, and I have the second screen. Let me insert let me see this one. Let me choose the better option. Insert, attach. Maybe this one. This is actually a project from Montenegro that we done recently. I'm trying to find. Let it load. Let me load one more. Trying to find nice representing power tower that it's A type. 16 to 20. Let's try this one. I will just delete this one because it's not necessary, and let's split our view to vertical, and let's change the orientation so we can see the power line towers. These are a bit not so good. So let's choose one more. Hopefully this time will be good. I think this one will be okay. Just let me find one that is on the top with the less vegetation. Okay, I think this is the okay. Yeah. So let me first change the display of the point cloud data, and let's do by intensity, and let us increase size of point cloud points. I will then rotate the point cloud so I can see one of the power line string, because we will do first extraction of power line string, and we can go here on the power lines and click on the button, but you can also do the extract power lines by picking points on the command line, because I already know the command, and we will turn on the F4 3D snap, and we will do node of the point cloud and it's not working. Let me try once again. Very strange. Seems snap is not working. Let me try in 2D. Extract powerlines. Is it working or not? No, it's not snapping. This is something up to CAD, so let me turn off this one and try once again. Okay, maybe now it's working. Let us try anyway. Here and here. Sorry. It's my fault actually. Actually, what we need to do is we need to choose which mode we are willing to use and we wish to use, because there is you can extract power lines by continuous way between you take one string and you extract between multiple poles, or you do the parallel, because the parallel will take, like, let's first finish between all power lines between just two power poles. So in this case it doesn't matter, because we are doing the only one string, so I will choose continuous, and now it should work. Yeah, it's working perfectly. So we just choose 3 points on the power line: start, approx, middle, and end point of the string, and it will give us power line. Okay, so this is the first one, first function. While we are doing the improvement in our segmentation and point cloud classification algorithm and software, when we finish that one, we will be able to extract these things semi-automatic or even automatic, hopefully fully automatic, but let's see. So the next thing that I want to show you is actually extraction of the power pole. Let us now proceed with the power tower extraction, and for this, in this case, I already cropped the area around the power tower, so it's much easier to extract the data and extract the features of the power tower. So function is to extract power line towers, and first thing is what we have prompt in command line. It's actually we want to do full tower or arms only. So yeah, basically later on we will add more functionalities, but now we want to do full towers with the arms. But in case you miss some arm, you can always come and add arms by itself. So let's do full tower, and let's select the base point of this power tower, and let's say it's here. And elevation, we want to keep elevation and choose x direction of the power tower, and I think it's approximately somewhere here. And it seems it's 390, but I can choose to change distance, and I will do the 3 meters by 3 meters. So the next thing is to choose opposite side, y direction, it's on this side, and yeah, it's we will do the change, it's 3 meters as well. I mean, you can always measure then draw, or you can be much more precise than I am now, because this is just demonstration. And basically, once again, the quality of extracted data will be in direct connection with the quality of the point cloud data. So much better point cloud will result in much better extraction. So the next one is to save. It asks us, do we want to save the coordinate system for this power tower? And definitely, I think it's always the best way to proceed with this one, because later on we can just quickly jump in the local coordinate system of Power Tower and change the stuff. So let's do yes, and Tower 11, I don't know, any name will be good. And now it asks us the final elevation of this segment, and current is to 14.50, but we want to change this one, and we want to pick this elevation, and this elevation will be somewhere here. Okay, so basically, yeah, you have the power line base and power line top. So software asks us then, is it the base the same as the top, or if it's not, you can change and say what is the dimensions up. So in this case it's not the same, so we will choose it's not, and it asks us, do we want to enter the distance or press enter to pick distance. I will do the picking. So let me just see where I am with this one. Okay, and let's see, maybe it's somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. This is the distance on this direction. Once again enter and choose another distance on this side. Yeah, somewhere here I would say. Yeah, seems this tower is a bit off, but doesn't matter. Let's proceed anyway. Later on we can fix this one. It asks us, is there any segment above? We will say yes. We will pick end elevation of this segment, and then the end elevation of this segment is somewhere here, and we will say yes, is the same, because it's the same that base on the top. Then it asks us, is there any more segments above, and we will say yes, there is one more, and we will choose top elevation of this segment, and it's here, and we will say it's not the same. We will say it's 0.10 and 0.10 in both direction, and we will get the in 3D. I'm not so precise, I'm just demonstrating, and it seems this power tower is a bit off, so we will improve this code as well, so this can be changed. But let's now extract one of the power arms and see what is the procedure to do. So there is no more segments above, so we'll say no, and it asks us, is there any power arms? So we'll say yes, there is power arms, and we want to select to draw the attachment line. So I will select attachment line, and the attachment line is this one here. And this arm, it's the bottom or the top. This is on the bottom, and width of the arm is here. We will do enter to pick width of the arm, and arm height also we will pick. It's somewhere here, let's say, and we extract the power line arms. So basically you can see it's much easier than change coordinate system of the power tower, and between the elements, and draw manually. This will be much more faster. So in the next stages we are planning to do when we improve our segmentation and point cloud optimization and classification. We plan to do automatic and semi-automatic extraction of these elements. I hope you enjoyed this video too, and I hope you will follow us, and you will connect with us, and give us more ideas what we can build in the future. Thank you for watching this video, and see you once again soon.